Southwest 2751, RNF Delray, wind 2007, runway 24 left, clear for takeoff.
RNF Delray, clear for takeoff to 4 left, Southwest 2751.
Bay Tower, good day, France 22 Uniform Heavy.
Aircraft 2 Uniform Heavy, yellow air, wind 2106, runway 24 right, clear to land.
Runway 24 right, clear to land, France 22 Uniform Heavy.
Charlie LA Air, Victor LA Cost Earth, shoreline north at or below 150 feet. Altimeter is 3021.
Sorry, United, 38 Heavy is over Kobe.
Yeah, 30 Heavy LA Air, wind 1906, runway 24 right clear line.
Super right clear line.
United 30 Heavy, turn left Yankee, cross for 24 left, taxi Yankee, hold short of Charlie.
Cross 24 left on Yankee, short Charlie, United 30 Heavy. Sorry, 2679, visual runway 24 right.
92679 LA Air, cost measurement, pitch Boeing 787 arrive, pitch Boeing 737 will park parallel. Wind 2208, runway 24 right clear to land.
Alright, clear to land.
Turn left Whiskey, cross for 24 left, contact ground point 65.
Left of Whiskey, cross 24 left, over ground United 29.
Tower, good afternoon. American 26 Heavies will be on the visual for 24 right.
American 26 Heavy, LA Air, number 2 and 2307, passenger, set Boeing 767, will park parallel, number 24 right, clear to line.
Land 24 right, American 26.
American 26 Heavy, Whiskey, cross for 24 left, contact ground point 65.
Going to cross 24 left on Whiskey, ground the other side. American 26.
Turn left Yankee, cross for 24 left, contact ground point 65.
Okay, cross, second Yankee cross runway 24 left, contact ground 12165, getting Qatar Airways. LA Tower, good afternoon, Emirates A3 Mike Super on visual approach runway 24 right.
Emirates A3 Mike Super, LA Air, number 1, wind 2409, runway 24 right, clear to land.
Clear to land 24 right, we have planned to make it to Zulu, Emirates A3 Mike Super.
Roger.
LA Tower, very good afternoon, Lufthansa 456 Heavy on the island approach, right.
Lufthansa 456 Heavy, contact arrivals on 128.5. They want you back on 128.5, Lufthansa 456 Heavy.
Okay. LA Tower, hello again, Lufthansa 456 Heavy on the visual approach runway 24 right.
Lufthansa 456 Heavy, LA Air, welcome back, wind 2309er, caution for turbulence, preceded by Super Airbus Runway 24 right, clear to land.
Alpha Delta 456, clear to land, runway 24 right.
Turn left, Yankee, stop. 4 left, traffic holding position, contact ground 165.
Lufthansa 457, vacate to the left by a Yankee, cross runway 24 left, traffic is holding position, Delta, ground 31.
Emirates A320 Super, turn left Zulu, cross runway 24 left, contact ground 165.
Vacate Zulu, cross runway 24 left and 0.65, Emirates A3 Mike.
Tower Cap 82 established, ILS 24 right, 24 right.
Cap 82 Heavy LA Tower number 2, 12309, runway 24 right, clear to land.
Clear land 24 right, Cap 80.
LA down left, left 72. Get down on the visual, 24 right.
Left 72 LA Tower number 2, 11737 3 miles tunnel, 12310, runway 24 right, clear to land.
Number 2, clear to land, 24 right, last 1172.
Got the 882 Heavy, cross runway 24 left at Whiskey, contact ground 165.
24 left, 12165, Cap 82, get in.
Tower Frontier 1755, visual, 24 right.
Frontier Flight 1755, LA Tower, afternoon, the wind 24010, runway 24 right, clear to land.
24 right, clear to land, Frontier 1755.
Frontier Flight 1755 at Whiskey, hold short, runway 24 left.
Whiskey short 24 left, Frontier Flight 1755.
LA Tower, Nippon 126, heavy visual, runway 24 right.
Alpha 126 Heavy, LA Tower, afternoon, the wind 24010, runway 24 right, clear to land.
Good afternoon, runway 24 right, Nippon 126, heavy.
Alpha 126 Heavy, traffic hold in position at Whiskey, cross runway 24 left and contact ground 0.65, good day.
Los Angeles Delta 422 heavy, usual, 2 right.
Delta 422 Heavy, LA Tower, afternoon, cross 6 miles and travel heavy Dreamliner, the wind 240 at 9er, runway 24 right, clear to land.
Runway 24 right, clear land, cross Delta 422 heavy. And wind at Delta 422.
Wind 240 at 10. Delta 422 Heavy and Victor, cross 24 left, contact ground 165 today.
And Victor, cross 24 left, ground 5 Delta 422 heavy, okay.
LA Tower Delta 634, ILS 24 right, parking at 23 Alpha.
Delta 634, LA Tower, good afternoon, the wind 240 at 9er, runway 24 right, clear to land.
24 right, clear to land, Delta 634.
Delta 634 at Whiskey, cross runway 24 left, ground 0.65, good day.
Whiskey, cross 24 left and ground 165, good day.
LA Tower, good evening, 480, visual 24 right, South Echo.
Skywest 6480, LA Tower, good afternoon, the wind 23010, runway 24 right, clear to land.
Runway 24 right, clear to land, Sky 640.
Skywest 6435, Victor, crossing with 24 left, contact ground point 65, good day. Southwest 148, contact SoCal departure, good day.
LA Tower, Air Premier 101 Heavy, 9 miles an hour, 24 right.
Air Premium 101 Heavy, LA Tower number 2, wind 24010, runway 24 right for the wind.
Runway 24 right, Air Premier 101.
Air Premium 101 Heavy, turn left, cross runway 24 left and contact ground point 65.
On left to cross runway 24 left, contact ground water 65, Air Premium 101 Heavy.
American 463 with you, 24 right.
American 463, LA Tower, wind 24011, cautionary turbulence. You're preceded by a heavy Dreamliner, runway 24 right, clear to land. American 463 traffic will hold in position, cross runway 24 left and contact ground point 65.
Good, cross 24 left, traffic in position, hold better ground, 0.65, American 463.
And it's South Korean on Heavy, runway 24 right to 8 miles on final.
3011 Heavy, LA Tower, wind 23010, runway 24 right, clear to land.
Runway 24 right, clear to land, Korean on Heavy.
KLM 011 Heavy, cross runway 24 left, contact ground point 65.
First runway 24 right, contact ground 0.65, Korean 01 Heavy.
KLM 602 Heavy, wind 24011, Arnav Delray, runway 24 left, good for takeoff.
Okay, Arnav Delray, and clear takeoff 24 left, get on 62 Heavy.
Air 1 Bravo Bravo, departure from Signature will be at your own risk, cleared through Bravo airspace as requested, LA altimeter 3020. River 1 Bravo Bravo, Squawk 0273. November 1 Bravo Bravo, traffic on final for the south runway, the Southwest 737 descending out at 800. KLM 602 Heavy, contact SoCal departure.
SoCal departure, I'm 602 Heavy.
Captain Asia 204 Heavy, descend to runway 24 right.
Asian 204 Heavy, LA Tower number 2, wind 24011, runway 24 right, clear to land.
Number 2 clear, runway 24 right, and 204.
Tower, Hawaiian 10 Heavy, inbound on the visual 24 right approach.
Hawaiian 10 Heavy, LA Tower, wind 24010, runway 24 right, clear to land.
24 right, clear to land, Hawaiian 10 Heavy.
Hawaiian 10 Heavy, cross runway 24 left, contact ground point 5.
Cleared across 24 left, ground point 65, Boeing 10 Heavy.
Air France 23 Kilo Heavy, LA Tower runway 24 left, line up and wait.
We just need a few minutes. Cabin is not ready yet. Air France 23 Kilo.
Air France 23 Kilo, hold short, runway 24 left, let me know when you're ready.
Hold short 24 left, we'll call you back. Air France 23 Kilo, thank you. Air France 23 Kilo, we're now ready for departure, 24 left.
Air France 23 Kilo Heavy, runway 24 left, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, 24 left, Air France 23 Kilo.
Air France 23 Kilo Heavy, 124010 RNM Delray, runway 24 left, good for takeoff.
Okay, for takeoff 24 left, Air France 23 Kilo.
LA Tower, EVA 012, with runway 24 right approach.
EVA 012 Heavy, LA Tower, wind 24011, runway 24 right, clear to land.
Runway 24 right, clear to land, EVA 012 Heavy.
EVA 012 Heavy, turn left, crossing way 24 left and contact ground point 65.
Runway 24 left, contact ground 121.65, EVA 012.
Lufthansa 457 Heavy, LA Tower, 24 left, line up and wait.
Good afternoon, Lufthansa 457 Heavy, ready.
Lufthansa 457 Heavy, runway 24 left, line up and wait.
Lufthansa 457 Heavy, in line up and wait, 24 left.
Lufthansa 457 Heavy, 1240 at 9, RNM Delray, need 24 left, cleared for takeoff.
The 457 Arnav Delray, clear for takeoff 24 left.
Speedbird 8 Delta Sierra, caution wake turbulence, runway 24 left, line up and wait.
Still okay to line up?
Speedbird 8 Delta Sierra, hold short, runway 24 left, let me know when you're ready to go.
Hold short, left,
Speedbird 8 Delta Sierra Heavy, are you ready?
Aircraft ready.
Speedbird 8 Delta Sierra Heavy, runway 24 left, line up and wait.
24 left, line up here.
Speedbird 8 Delta Sierra Heavy, 124011, RNM Delray, need 24 left, cleared for takeoff.
Arnav Delray, clear to take off.
Lufthansa 457 Heavy, contact SoCal departure.
Lufthansa 457, departure, fine.
Tower Delta 1517, we're at 3,100 ILS, north 24 right, negative contact with the airport.
Delta 1517, roger, number 2, 1240 at 9, runway 24 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 24 right, Delta 15.
Speedbird 8 Delta Sierra Heavy, contact SoCal departure.
Delta Sierra Heavy, all set.